Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist, voice activated navigation system, rear view camera. Come see the car for yourself.